if we talk about compound images, it can be a combination of a rectangle or a triangle, maybe combination of two rectangles, or maybe a combination of rectangle or a square. This is clear. Okay. So here we have to find the area of this entire figure, right? So when we are looking into this, we can see that either it will be taking a shape of rectangle or a square. Fine. So if we try to join this line, this becomes one figure. Okay. And if we try to join this becomes the second one, and this is the third one, right? Okay. Now here, this line is parallel to this line, correct?
Yeah.
This becomes 2 kilometer, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Only this portion.
Yeah.
Only this portion. So this total becomes 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. Okay, so this,
Yeah.
if this entire line is 5 kilometers, so that means this is also 5 kilometers. Am I right? Okay, and if you join this together, 5 plus 2, that gives you 7. Am I right? Okay, so if we talk about the first shape here, what do we have? We have 7 and 7, 6 and 6. This is our first shape. Okay. If we talk about the second one, it is 5, correct? And 5 here. Okay. We're going to take this one, correct? And if we talk about the third one, okay. Third says this is 2 kilometers. So it's going to be 2 here and 2 here, right? And this is going to be 4 here and 4 here. Am I right? Now we have got the dimensions of all of these figures, right? All of these shapes. What are we going to do? We are going to use the area formula. Area of rectangle is length into. Very good. Okay. Now, so to find the area of the first shape, what are we going to do? 7 times 6. What is the answer? 32 kilometers. Okay. If we talk about the second one, it is going to be 5 times 5 times 5, right? That gives us 25 kilometers, correct? And now if we talk about the third one, third is going to be 4 times, that's going to be 8 kilometers. Okay. Now let's add all of them. 42 plus 25 plus 8. What will be the answer? Correct? 75 kilometers. That's how you have to solve it. Is this clear? All right. I'll stop sharing the screen here, please.